What is life? To understand life better, we have three places, or we have to go three places. The first one, hospital. The second one, prison. And the third one, a cemetery. In hospital, you will understand that health is the most beautiful gift from Allah. Without health, the mind is nothing, the life is nothing. Without health, life is meaningless. In prison, you will understand that freedom is the most precious thing from Allah. Freedom is the most precious gift. Without freedom, the world is nothing. Without thing, nothing is possible. In cemetery, you will realize that the ground we are walking on today will be our rough tomorrow. We come with nothing and we will go with nothing. So we should think full of Allah in every time, every situation, of everything that He given us.